Am I a happy person?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a happy person.
So how do you find happiness in your
Satisfied.
how do you find happiness in your life?
Um, Happiness to me is, well, there's degrees of happiness. For the most part, I would say it's satisfaction with life, uh, not regretting things, not thinking about past things that uh, you want to change because you cannot change the past. Uh, and being satisfied and being comfortable. That's one level. I have also experienced other levels of happiness, of course, family, children, um, so on, or doing uh, my Tai Chi, for example, when I finish feeling a happiness inside. It's a feeling that is very hard to describe, to put in words.
So, can you say that if you pursue happiness, you can achieve, you have achieved something in your life? If
Yes.
someone go for happiness, he can achieve something or anything in his life.
Um, yeah, I would say I have achieved a number of things in life that I'm happy about or satisfied about. Um, the one that is most important to me, I believe, is having been a good father and husband. That to me is the primary, most important. Then after that, it's I would say Tai Chi, and then you know, in my professional world of computing, understanding, and basically coming up through the ranks and learning and achieving a lot of different things in that field. Yeah, yeah.
S- s-
So, yeah, a number of things.